Whether you need a routine pump out, Title V inspection, a small repair, or a complete new system, there's one name to remember. Curtis Septic Service. Using the latest and state-of-the-art equipment, our experts will handle any septic issue quickly and affordably. And now, we've brought our nearly 3 decades of experience to the Stowe area with our newest location on Route 117. Call today for pricing or free estimates and to find out how to save 40% on any repair or installation. Or visit us at curtisseptic.com.